Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use FaceTime on Android. Android phones cannot make FaceTime calls, but they can answer a FaceTime call in a browser like Google Chrome. To invite an Android user to FaceTime using a Mac, iPhone, or iPad, open the FaceTime app and select Create a Link, and then send it to Android's user device. Apple finally made it possible for people with Android phones to use FaceTime. It's just not simple as downloading the FaceTime app on your Android phone from the Google Play Store. But the video calling functionality is there. We'll show you how it works. The catch here is you still can't initiate a FaceTime call from your Android device. You can, however, join a FaceTime call if you get invited by someone with an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. It's not quite the FaceTime or Android dream, but it's the best we have. To use FaceTime on Android, you'll need a supporter browser such as Google Chrome and a friend or family member with an iOS, iPadOS, or macOS device. iPhone and iPad users running iOS 15 or higher can open the FaceTime app and select Create Link. So on the screen, I show you that I am using an iPhone. So press the create the link, then send it to your Android phone via Messenger. Now, on this screen, I'm using Android phone. I already received the link, and if I press the link, it will go directly to Google Chrome, and through the FaceTime call, enter your name, press join, and you will wait to let you in. If you go back to iPhone screen, you just need to accept the call by pressing check, and now you can use FaceTime by using iPhone to Android. So I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!